in this lecture we are going to learn about you can say linear search. So what is linear search? Let me explain first. So we have linear search, right? We are going to deal with linear search. Okay, linear search, if we have an array like this, we may have 20, 30, 40 and 50, right? If you want to go through a linear search, if you are going to learn linear search, you have to understand the array, right? So I already told you the index of this value will be 0, 1, 2 and 3. Array contains continuous memory location in the memory. So each element, each index should have a value. Either it should be empty, but if you define an array, it should have the index and it should have the value, right? So if you are going to search let's see 40 in this array, so what you have to do, you have to traverse this value in the loop, right? We will start a for loop from 0 index to the last index, right? And we will check if 40 is in the place of here, here, here or here, right? Then it return, or you can say print in the console, right? So let's go to the console in the Eclipse and we will understand the code. Okay, linear search algorithm here in the as a program. So you can see I have created the same array that I in the last lecture we have taken in the bubble sort, right? So in this array what I have taken, I am going to search the search element 900 in here, right? If the data will be here, it should print uh, element is found at the index, right? If the search element is not found, element not found in the array, it should give, right? So you can see the search element is 900 and we do not have in this array. So if we are going to print run the project, you can say run the program, you can say here as you can see element is not found, right? But if you are going to check 90 and save the program again, okay, now I'm going to run the application. Yeah, the value is at index 7, right? The last one, second last one, right? And it is displaying the value. So what I have did, I have just created a method as a static, no need to create a object, right? So we have created a linear search as a method and it is taking as an argument array and the search element, right? So first I have created a boolean type of flag and taken as a false as a value. If the data will be get search, right, and the data is found, then we will update the flag, right? So how we will do that? First we have to traverse all the element of the array from 0 index to last index, right? And we have created a if condition. If condition is going to match here, so what we have to do, we have to just update the flag and we have to print the element is at index that one, right? And if flag is not going to update, means data is not found, so we just give the message if search is equal to false, the initial value, then we have to just update in the console element is not found, right? So guys, if you have any doubt in this program, just ping me in the comment box, I will update you.